when you study English, it is necessary to understand how personal pronouns are used. These are pronouns that refer to people and things. I'll show you what the personal pronouns look like in English as subjects, objects, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. In the notebook that you use for studying English, I recommend that you write the following chart. This has 8 rows. Rows go this way, and there are 5 columns. Here's the subject column, here's the object column. This column is for possessive adjectives. This column is for possessive pronouns, and this column is for reflexive pronouns. It's easier to remember these things if you write them down. Let's begin with the subject pronouns. I is a subject pronoun. You, this is singular, that's you. For a man, we use he. For a woman, she. And for a thing, it. These pronouns are all singular. When I and you are combined, they form we. When you is plural, it remains you. And the plural form for he, she, or it is they. These are all subject pronouns. As an object pronoun, I becomes me. You remains you. He, for a man, becomes him. She, for a woman, becomes her. And it remains it. We becomes us. Remember, this is the combination of me and you. The object form for you, plural, remains you, and the object pronoun for they is them. These are all object pronouns. They receive the action of a verb, or they follow a preposition. Possessive adjectives are adjectives, so they have to be used with a noun. But it's good to study possessive adjectives when you study pronouns. The possessive adjective for I is my, and then there's a noun that comes after it. You have to use this with a noun. The possessive adjective for you is your, and then here's a noun. For a man, it's his. For a woman, it's her. Notice that the object pronoun and the possessive adjective are the same. The possessive adjective for it is its. The possessive adjective for we is our. Remember that this is a combination of my and your. Our. The possessive adjective for you, plural, is your. And the possessive adjective for they is their. It's important to remember that all of these possessive adjectives are used with nouns. They would appear here. Possessive pronouns may function as subjects or objects. These replace nouns in a sentence. The possessive pronoun for I is mine, and nothing comes after it. The possessive pronoun for you is yours. The possessive pronoun for a man is his. For a woman, it's hers. And for a thing, it's its. This is a difficult pronoun to use, but not impossible. The possessive pronoun for we is ours. For you, it's yours. And the possessive pronoun for they is theirs. Notice that all of the possessive pronouns end in an S, except for mine. The reflexive pronoun refers back to a subject. The reflexive pronoun for I is myself. I cut myself. I hurt myself. I did something myself. This refers back to the subject. The reflexive pronoun for you is yourself. For a man, it's himself. For a woman, it's herself. For a thing, it's itself. This is often used for automation or machines. The possessive pronoun for we is ourselves. For you, it's yourselves. And for they, the reflexive pronoun is themselves. Notice the difference between the singular and the plural. The singular reflexive pronouns use an F. The plural reflexive pronouns have a V, ourselves. Let's review. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. The corresponding object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. These all must be followed by nouns. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. And reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. There's also the pronoun who, which is used as a relative pronoun. As a subject, it's who. As an object, it's whom. As a possessive adjective, it's whose. And as a possessive pronoun, it's also whose. These are the singular pronouns, and these are the plural pronouns. In the first person singular, I, me, my, mine, myself. In the second person singular, you have you, your, yours, and yourself. In the third person singular for a man, he, him, his, and himself. In the third person singular for a woman, it's she, her, hers, herself. And in the third person singular for a thing, it's, itself. In the plural, first person plural, we, us, our, ours, ourselves. In the second person plural, you, your, yours, yourselves. And in the third person plural, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. When you study English, it is very helpful to know how these pronouns are categorized. This is because your English teacher will often refer to each pronoun in the way that I just described. For example, this pronoun, I, is in the first person singular. It's a subject. This pronoun is in the first person singular. It's an object. And you can go through the different categories in the same way. This pronoun is in the first person, but it's plural. So it's the plural form of you and I. We. This is the object form of this pronoun. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.